Welcome to the training video of Customer Relationship Management Software. This video explains the basic user interfaces in the application, how to navigate through all pages, getting information from the dashboard, downloading reports and all other features of the CRM software. The CRM software is a server-client application where the software runs in a server, either in the internet or in your office local area network. The users can access the software using any browser through computer or mobile phones, by typing the address of the server where the application is running and logging in. The CRM software can be integrated to an IP telephony system to facilitate click-to-call from CRM. A login page with username and password will appear once you type the address of the CRM software in your browser. Each user has a unique username and password, which will be mailed to you by the CRM administrator. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by clicking on Forgot Password link. Once you are logged in, you are taken to the dashboard which contains important information and alerts. The three vertical dots on the top right corner is the main menu button. In the CRM software, wherever you find three dots in horizontal and vertical layout signifies menu, and plus button anywhere in the application indicates create a new record. The modules are arranged vertically on the left side of your screen and in some layouts at the top of the screen. To configure your profile, preferences and email account, you need to open your profile. This is done by clicking on the top right menu button and on your name. Your profile page opens up. This page is the user page of your own profile. All pages in the CRM has an option to edit the entire form, or you can edit each fields in the form with the edit button available on the top right corner of the field. The individual edit button will be visible when you bring the cursor on the specific field you want to edit. You can edit your details here and also upload your photo on the right top box. Click on the menu button below the page edit button and change password option will be visible. Click on it and change the password. You need to type your old password to change to a new password. If you are a telecaller, your phone system can be integrated to the CRM by clicking on the VoIP settings and adding your extension number and password as available in your VoIP system. On the menu button below the calendar, you can click on the preferences and a page will appear to edit the preferences. The layout options. We recommend that you do not change any settings here. The same menu has the option to add your email account. Clicking on it will open the page to configure the email client of your existing email account to help you receive and send mails from the CRM. Add your email account by clicking on plus create email account. Type in your email credentials to configure the email client and test the mails here. All the graphs in the dashboard are dynamic, and when you click on it, the details are listed in a separate pop-up screen. You can further click on each row to further drill down to more details. The relevant information from the dashboard can be exported to Excel or PDF or emailed from the dashboard itself. Every module in the CRM can be accessed by selecting the module from the modules list on the left side of the screen. In some layouts, the modules will be located on the top of the screen. When you open a module, list of all accessible records are listed with the total count of records indicated on the right top side of the list. This view of the module is known as the list view. Each row is known as records in the module and the columns are called the fields in the module. You can search for a specific record by typing any data on the search box in the list view. The global search box will list out the record of present in other modules also. Example: a customer can be in leads, opportunities and also in contact or even users. This shows a random search made for records with any field starting with number 1931. Search for in-between values in any fields in a record can also be searched by typing the values within percentages as shown. This is a more specific search carried out when the general search did not show the results. Specific search using search filters is possible by selecting search filters. You can view the search filters available by clicking the menu button near the search box. Multiple search filters can be used to narrow the search further. The search filters offer a wide range of options to further filter the data you are searching, making this application an excellent data administration tool. We can also configure custom filters located on the left side of the search box to quickly get the list of records meeting the criteria selected in the custom filters. All custom filters are based on a report, which can be made as per the user requirements. CRM facilitates bulk actions on selected records. These can be done by selecting the rows or records and clicking on the action button at the top of the rows. The action button will appear only when you select at least one record in the list view. Most actions available for selected records are remove, must update, export, follow, and unfollow. Merge option is available only for the administrator, used for merging duplicate records. Selected records can be exported to Excel or CSV files on selecting export option. All users may not have the rights to export data from the CRM. Multiple records can be corrected in one go using the mass update option. Multiple fields can be chosen to mass update the selected records. A record can be viewed in detailed view by clicking on it from the list view. Export it to Excel or CSV files on selecting export option. All users may not have the rights to export data from the CRM. All details of the record may be arranged in different tabs, and that can be accessed by clicking on the tabs. There is a scroll button for browsing to the next record and previous record at the right top corner in the detailed view. Some of the records will have data in the related modules in graphical view, and the details can be accessed and exported by clicking on the graph. List of related records from other modules are also listed below the detailed view. This view is known as Small List View. List of records from related modules can be viewed separately by clicking View List, and all features of search, select, export, must update are available in the Small List view. You can also select and add new related records by clicking on Select and adding the same after searching for the record. Similarly, you can unlink a related record. This video describes the navigation features. Separate videos are available on the business process of your company, and kindly watch those videos also to become efficient in using this application. Thanks for watching.